Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Fahren portable tire inflator air compressor. This is the ST09. This thing can go up to 150 PSI. I already opened it up and took the bubble wrap and wrapper off the screen here. This is basically the unit right here. It's also got a flashlight on top. This is a spot right here where you go ahead and attach this hose to go ahead and actually inflate your tires. You want to hold down this power button to turn it on. And as you can see, it tells you what the PSI is at. So you can go ahead and actually set that to whatever you desire. It's also got this button here to switch between car tires, bike tires, motorcycle tires, and sports ball tires. So you can use like all types of inflation modes right there. Right here with the flashlight, we got a basic flashlight. Then we got the flash. So different modes with that as well. On the bottom here, we've got input, USB-C, so that's how you go ahead and power this thing up. This thing lasts for a long time, by the way, extra battery life, so it can inflate things numerous times before you need to charge it up. And it's also got USB output, so you can go ahead and like power up your phone or anything like that. On the inside here, we've got USB-C to USB, so this is used to charge up this device. We've also got different attachments for different kinds of things that you need inflated. So as you can see, like right here, we got the ball attachment. We've got different attachments for different things. So let's go ahead and push this power button, see how it works. And then again, this thing, you just want to go ahead and twist that on. And that'll allow you to go ahead and stick this on your tires to inflate them. So overall, I highly recommend this thing. It is very convenient. Saves a lot of hassle from having to go to the gas station, pump up your tires, to have to pump them up at different places. You can just do this from at home. You can do it on the go if your tires are ever deflated a little bit, and this thing will just get you going. I highly recommend you keep this inside your car, keep it at home. Thanks for watching.